Here again, going to go over 10 things you really want to look at when you're thinking about selling your home, where you should list your property. Market condition is a big one. Now, in 2023, beginning of 2023, and based off the time you're watching it, things could change. Right now, we've seen interest rates actually go up. And so the market condition has kind of changed a little bit, right? So you're pricing your property to be a little bit lower to get that extra interest, because list to sold, like I talked about before, is actually going lower. So instead of basically people pricing you lower, you want to get that bidding war and kind of work your way up. 4 is understanding the comparables. Now, we've talked about basically condition, we talked about square footage, we talked about location, and that's all going to factor in comparable property just like yours. Okay, and going, okay, well, that one sold for this one sold for this. Okay, this kind of give me an idea of where my property would sell for.